Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this very nice 2018 Infiniti Q50 that we have for sale. We took this one in on trade. It's a one-owner clean Carfax vehicle from the West Coast. We do have a complimentary Carfax report. If you're in the market for a sport luxury sedan, the Q50 is a great choice. This one has lots of sports car pedigree baked into it, and it's so much fun to drive and very comfortable to drive around in and live with every day. Nice leather interior, power, front seats. We have a nice wood trim, drive mode selector that will make changes to steering effort, transmission, shift points, how high the engine revs, traction stability control settings. This one also has a moonroof. We have a automatic dimming mirror, universal garage door opener. 2018 is a great year for the Q50 because it got its first major revision since it was introduced in 2014. So it got an exterior facelift, and they also facelifted the interior, new style of the shifter, new style of wood trim, really nice synthetic leather and stitching on the dashboard, giving it a little bit more of a premium feel. We also have a different design in the steering wheel for 2018, same steering wheel we find in the Q60. And then when we move towards the outside, I'll show you what they changed on the outside for 2018. So we have a dual display system. When the Q50 first came out in 2014, it was actually the first vehicle of its kind to have a dual display system like this. Infiniti loves to pioneer technology, and they've pioneered a lot over the years, including a dual display system like this. Now we have some other companies kind of following suit. Well, actually now people are kind of copying Tesla, I'd say, on the newer stuff of the the vertical screens, and I think probably Infiniti will probably switch to that in the next year or two, probably with their Q50s. They just have to change it around. But this dual display system works great as it is. The top screen is for the clock, parking camera, Bluetooth settings. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. So you can pull up a performance meter, cool stuff like that. You can also access your drive mode selector here and kind of drill down a little bit deeper than using it here. You can personalize it a little bit. So this one has 24,492 miles at the time of making this video. Pretty low mileage for 2018. Most people drive about 13,000 miles a year. Really nice color combination too, on black on black. The Q50 has a lot of sports car pedigree. It actually shares its platform with the Nissan 370Z sports car. This advanced front midget platform has been used by Infiniti for a very long time. They've been using this platform since the early 2000s when they first introduced the G series and the redesigned 350Z. The reason why they call it the advanced front midget platform is they take the engine and they place it as far behind the front axle as possible, so the center of gravity is towards the middle of the vehicle, giving it as perfect 50-50 weight distribution as possible. It really is actually almost like a mid-engine vehicle. They push the engine so back, and it's one awesome power plant. We have a VR30 twin turbo V6 replacing the aging 3.7 liter V6. They've had this engine since 2016. And this Q50, it makes 300 horsepower. A lot of power for a vehicle like this. It's very, very quick. It's also smooth and smoother and more fuel efficient than the VQ37 it replaces. So for 2018, they had a restyled front fascia. We have a different design for the alloy wheels. And we also have a slightly redesigned rear as well. They added this cool underbody diffuser as well. Even though the Q50 is considered a compact vehicle, it's not too compact on the inside. I'm 6'2". I had that front seat adjusted for my height, and you can see I still have plenty of leg room, headroom, shoulder room back here. My knees aren't bumping against the seat. So you can sit 4 full-size adults pretty comfortably in the Q50, 5 in a pinch. Also a decent amount of trunk space, and you do have a cargo pass-through if you want to throw some skis or 2x4s in there. I don't know why I didn't want to put 2x4s in there, but some people might need them. Maybe at that point it might be time to get a pickup truck. All right, so going back to this Q50, you get the balance of a factory warranty, 4 years, 60,000 bumper to bumper, one of the longest warranties on a luxury automobile, and a 6 years, 70,000 mile powertrain warranty that covers the engine and parts of the transmission. We have a mobile delivery service. We can get this vehicle shipped to you within 24 to 48 hours, up to 250 miles. Call us for more information about our mobile delivery service. We can print up all the paperwork, put this on our car hauler, tow it to your house, and you can buy this beautiful Q50 without having to leave your neighborhood. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you soon, and have a wonderful day.